Hello learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of medium test on idiom and phrases concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom and phrase given in bold and italicized. In this question, we have to find out the meaning of the idiom threw down the gauntlet. In the sentence, Chandu used very ugly word against his kind uncle. He threw down the gauntlet before him. So let us now explore the meaning of the idiom, which is to show that one is ready to compete. Let us now explore the options. The first option is abused and insulted. So we know that this is not the right answer and hence eliminated. Coming to option C, which is behaved as an important person. Now this is also not the right answer and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option D, which is to put conditions. Now, this is also the right answer. Coming to option B, which is through the challenge. Now, when we're talking about through down the gauntlet, we're talking about somebody who is ready to compete or somebody who's ready to challenge someone, right? So, the correct answer is option B. In this question, we have to find out the meaning of the idiom put a spoke in my wheel. In the sentence, it was he who put a spoke in my wheel. Let us now explore the meaning of the idiom, which is to prevent someone from carrying out a plan. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is tried to cause an accident. So we are not talking about any sort of accident over here, so hence eliminated. Coming to option B, which is helped in the execution of the plan. Now, here we are talking about prevention, and in the option it is given helped. So, we know that this is not the right answer, and hence option B can be eliminated. Coming to option D, which is share the plan with someone. So, we know that this is also not the right answer, and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option C, which is thwarted the execution of the plan. So, thwarted refers to prevent. Okay, so we know that the correct answer is option C. In this question, we have to find out the meaning of the idiom a bee in his bonnet. In the sentence, he is a strange fellow. It is very difficult to deal with him. It seems that he has a bee in his bonnet. Let us now explore the meaning of the idiom, which is to keep talking about something again and again. So let us now explore the options. The first option is an achievement to be proud of. So we know that this is not the answer and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option C, which is to face problems as a result of his senseless actions. So we are not talking about how to face problems or any sort of result. So we know that this is also not the right answer and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option D, which is a peculiar habit of confusing others. Now the word peculiar refers to strange. So we know that we're not talking about any strange habit. So hence option D can also be eliminated. Coming to option B, which is an obsession about something. Obsession matlab that you're mad about doing something or when you're thinking about doing the same thing again and again. So we know that this is the right answer and hence option B is the correct option. In this question, we have to find out the meaning of the idiom lynch law. In the sentence, in modern democratic societies, lynch law seems to have become a common feature in almost all the spheres of life. Let us now explore the meaning of the idiom, which is to the practice of punishing someone by mob action. Okay, so let us now explore the options. The first option is law of the parliament. So we know that this is not the answer and hence can be eliminated. Similarly, when we come to option B, which is law of the constitution, now this is also not the answer and hence can be eliminated. Coming to option D, which is law of the underworld. So we know that this is also the incorrect option and hence eliminated. Coming to option C, which is law of the mob. So we know that this is the right answer. So the correct answer is option C. In this question, we have to find out the meaning of the idiom like a phoenix. In the sentence, after independence, Indian agriculture rose like a phoenix due to the Green Revolution. Let us now explore the meaning of the idiom, which is to become successful again. So let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is with a start. So we are not talking about any start or beginning. So we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is with Royal Gate. Now, Royal Gate refers to a British bred thoroughbred racehorse. So, we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is with vengeance. Now, vengeance basically refers to an act of punishment or harming somebody as a revenge. Okay, so we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is with a new life. Now, when we talk about like a phoenix, we say like to become successful again or to emerge renewed after apparent disaster. So, we can say that the correct answer is option A. It is kind of like a new beginning. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.